Alright, this is a video response to CaptainBerz M.S.R pocket rocket oil test of 2 cups of water, cold water from the fridge, with the Whisperlite, M.S.R Whisperlite International. I don't have a 20-ounce soda can or anything that size right now, so I just got this metal backpacking pot. The stove is currently around medium heat for its capabilities. I'm at 200 feet elevation on the Pacific West Coast, Washington State. I'm using a small size fuel bottle. You can also use a 22 and a 33 ounce fuel bottle with this stove. It requires manual control of the pump, so you have to be able to pump the fuel canister up by hand and control the heat via the dial. Now, this stove doesn't use the pre-pressurized gas fuel. It's capable of using kerosene, white gas, or diesel fuel as a source. I'm trying to maintain this medium heat. This thing really likes to just scream high power. It's not much of a simmer stove. This is an older model of the Whisperlite International, so it doesn't have the shaker valve, which to my knowledge is the only major change to the design. I was interested in this because I just got back from a trip to Olympic National Park in the whole rainforest, and I was amazed at how fast the water was boiling. And I guess I just never really paid attention to that. We're at a kind of a steady small boil. Let's see how long it takes to get to a rolling. But you would really need to heat up one of those dry food, dehydrated food packets. We're about 4 minutes. It started doing a pretty good bubble. It's starting to lose pressure here. Let me turn it up. Let me show you how this thing really operates. That's high power. So pretty comparable boil time. I don't know where Berz is at or what his elevation is, but alright, thanks CaptainBerz. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.